Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some Dollar Tree DIYs that you've sort of seen before in other videos, but I'm making them my own. I've seen them a lot on Instagram, and just I think a lot of DIYers have made these too, like the farmhouse looking books, but I have a little bit of a twist to them. So on top of that, I will also be sharing a couple more projects to go with it. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get on to the DIY.
This one we're going to be using some terracotta pots from Dollar Tree. These medium ones come in a pack of 2 and these smaller ones come in a pack of 3. I have a little bundle of eucalyptus from Walmart, and then these dried flowers are from Dollar Tree. They're very new to my Dollar Tree. I've never seen them before. I did get multiple ones in different colors, but these were really nice and neutral. So all I'm going to do is just glue the 2 pots together end to end using my hot glue. I'll give them a couple of coats with this white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and to decorate I'll be using some Dollar Tree twine and moss and then adding my greenery and flower bundle. So for this next one, I'll be using a medium-sized box that's all tore up, leftover from Christmas, so don't come at me for the box. You can use any type of box you want. First thing I'm going to do is cut off the top flaps. Then turning it upside down, I'm going to put a good amount of tape at the bottom because I do want it to store stuff, so I want it to be sturdy and so that it doesn't just bust open when you put your stuff inside of it. Now taking my foam board, I'm going to be cutting out 2 pieces for the narrow sides and then 1 piece for the long side. And I'm not going to give you guys exact measurements because I'm just going off of this box. So depending on what box you have, you'll have to go off of those measurements. Now using the wider part of this ruler, I'm going to make a mark on each book. So I'm going to make it seem like there's 4 books on here. And so I'm just measuring it out just to make sure I have the exact size that I want. It's going to be a little bit taller than the box itself. And you guys can see right here kind of what I mean. And for the inside of the box, you guys can use whatever you want, but I'm just using this Dollar Tree liner. It's just a neutral color. It doesn't really matter. But in case you do end up putting this somewhere where you can see it, you don't want the inside of the box to look all ugly. Okay, so now that the 3 sides are done, we're going to go to the front, which is going to be the book part of it. As you can see, I took some more foam board, made the same markings as I did before with the wider part of the ruler, and here's what I'm going to do to make it look like they're actually stacked books, okay? Maybe it's not going to be perfect or anything, but taking my X-Acto knife, I'm just going to score the very surface of the foam board. I'm not going to cut all the way through. I don't want them in pieces. And then once those are scored, I'm going to snap them just carefully so that I don't, completely rip the paper on the back, and that's going to give it that sort of book look. The bells and bells, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. So I was going to use my rub-on letter transfers, but I didn't have enough for what I wanted, so we're going to improvise, and I'm just going to use a little wooden block from Dollar Tree to use as my guide, I guess, to make my letters. I think I may have made them a little big. You guys can go smaller or whatever, but this is just fine, and see how straight of lines you're gonna get. And then after I do that, all my letters are done. You guys, I'm gonna be using this pen from Dollar Tree, which is actually super amazing. So smoothly on paper. It's like such a fine line. It's really nice, but if you do put a little bit of pressure on it, the lines will be thicker. And again, these are from Dollar Tree, really nice pens. So for a little more depth and a more realistic look, I'm taking my my pencil and just running it across that line right there just to give it that darkness. And then with this little Dollar Tree tool, it's making that indentation so much thicker and it just makes it look more realistic. That was a tongue twister for me, you guys. So the very last thing I'm going to do, using my Dollar Tree twine and then also just a little bit of lamb's ear that I found, I don't know, floating around, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my box and I'll be all done.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it and it would help me so much if you give me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!